hooked up. Doesn't feel big, but let me see. Yeah, just to be safe. Whew, nice snag.
Sort of growing wings there for a minute.
I don't think this is 2 pounds.
Yeah. Wow, that was fast.
Yeah.
I like that.
Alright. Bye-bye.
You saved a fish's life.
Yeah, I was like, I looked over, I'm like, and at first I thought it was that one. I'm like, no, because I remember you said you took yours off.
Yeah.
Alright.
First cast?
Second. That's promising.
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's small.
Okay.
Really small.
Oh, very small. Is that a rock?
It's a crappie.
Oh, crappie?
Oh, no, it's a rock bass.
Oh, nice.
Look at this guy. Look at you. Pleasure. Rock bass, man. They are.
You want to take over for a second? I need to change my spinner.
Sure. What happened? Oh.
It broke.
Oh. Good old Guggen.
Good old Guggen products. Oh, I'm gonna be like Danny. I'm gonna leave him a stern review. Your stupid spinner broke.
And then it broke.
It sucks. Please send me another one. Any fish swimming like through the middle of this is like Death Valley. God, I'm surprised I didn't get hit at all. Got one. Ah. Yeah, tiny guy. Oh my God. What a fighter. Nah. Not bad, little guy. Oh.
I wish we just hooked them the other way a little bit. Oh, man. Is your GoPro on too, Adrian?
Huh?
Is your GoPro on?
Yeah.
Okay, you might have got a better picture of it because you were looking over at him too.
I was trying to, so
You might have got some of it.
we'll check it
Yeah,
out.
go check both.
If it's too good for footage, I'll delete it.
You don't want to believe them.
I'll let it my face on your body.
Talk to Danny.
Yeah. Danny, what's the software program you use?
Do that. Honestly, you think he was 40? Maybe a little under?
At
least 35.
Probably, yeah.
He was fast. He was fast.
He was girthy.
He was big, was a fish.
Huh? I know, I was supposed to fix it last night.
It's like, it looks so weird.
It is.
It's broken.
It's caught like 15 fish. Oh, fuck.
Third Musketeer?
I was supposed to do a high five.
You're a good one, bro. Like Family Guy.
Pretty sure they were having a conversation.
Yeah, wow. How was it in the body? It's, oh, here comes my sister.
Oh. Yeah, probably. I just want to make sure I get it. There we go. Thanks.
Alright, Scott's out the boat. Now we're all gonna get him.
First one.
Does it help or you good?
Should be good. You have to scale though.
I do have a scale. Still
Oh, come on. Oh, there you go.
He's off?
Yep, he went.
Okay.
He took off. Oh, that's good.
I mean, that might have given you movement out.
Yeah, so I'm not too concerned about it.
I'm happy that he lives.
He pulled out again. He's like, what the fuck, I can't breathe.
Wait, motherfucker, I'm good.
Put me back.
We'll edit out so then you're next.
I want to go, Dad. I want to go.
Yeah, it's the net. That's super.
Yeah.
The net.
Kind of expected like another 35 blowups.
No, this is saucy.
I think we just need to go to the other side. I thought where we did okay with making. We had a few touches.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's pull us back and then I'll drive us out once we get pretty clear.
Hang on.
Right, that's what I'm saying. I'm like, okay, I learned my lesson. Let's do it again. That's all I mean. That's all you guys have to know.
Got him.
Oh, he's
Yeah, feels pretty decent.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That's really nice. Oh, yeah.
Oh shit, he bit me off.
Oh. I think that was. I'll give you a minute.
Oh, play Joe! Play Joe! He goes, oh, only if it's a miss.
I didn't say miss, I said follow.
That's true.
No, I would never wish that upon anybody.
That's true. Nope, if it was me, I would say, you know what, you can catch it, damn it.
Dude, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that happened.
That was my fault.
That was
I know where I went wrong.
That
I
was a
think
big
you
fish.
tried to force it, I think.
Yeah, yep. I tried to pull him over instead
Yeah,
of just.
but you know what? I don't.
No, I'm just saying.
I think he might have just had. I think that was just inevitable. If he had that shit in there and he flipped like that, his teeth are gonna slice it.
Yeah.
So
But I
don't think
mean,
there's anything you did
I
wrong.
think if I would have just been a little like more patient with it.
Yeah, that was nice.
Because I think.
Sorry, my fans, my battery died. During that battery switch, there was some eventful events. I don't even know that's how you say it. Danny caught a nice pike. Joe caught a nicer pike. And then I caught a small. Actually, Joe caught 2 pike.
Yeah.
And then I caught a smallie. So, all pretty epic because
It was pretty slow this morning, and then
absolutely, yeah, it was a slow start, but we're picking it up. We didn't give up. Perseverance is key. All fantastic net jobs. Joe saved my smallie. I mean, he was barely hooked. I caught Danny's midair. And then Danny managed to snag Joe's fish. Almost there, almost there. I stopped reeling. I was trying to look for the sand. Got it?
oh, that's a nice one. Oh yeah, baby.
Oh, that's a nice one. You got it? Shit. What happened?
fuck.
That would have been the nicest one.
That looked like close to 30, man.
That was nice. That was nice.
No, that was a pike. Wow. Wow. I don't even like thinking back. I'm like, I did nothing wrong. Like I had tension the whole time. I just must have not hooked him. Yeah, I don't have a trailer hook. I don't have. Did you have the? Did you have your GoPro going for that?
Yeah. And actually, I was facing this way. I think I saw it jump.
Clean out of the
He
water.
did.
Oh my god, that hurts. No, I think him jumping, and when he jumped, he did like a twist.
Yeah.
So I think maybe that made her wrap some of the line around him too, and it probably just dislodged the hook. That would have been a game changer.
Yeah, absolutely. I would say that was at least 4.
That hurts the heart.
That was right there.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
The musky one hurts, but this one really hurt because I had this one.
Yeah, that's when I was on the line.
Oh.
I'll have to double check. I'm pretty sure I caught it jumping out of the water.
Yeah, it can clean out.
Yeah, it breached easy. Came out.
That was really cool though. Looking at the bright side, that was awesome. Yeah, just to see that. Knowing that there's that size pike in here, like shit. You just gotta filter through all the little ones. Oh yeah, I'm ready.
We coming back here?
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, actually, this could be our first stop, and then go elsewhere.
Yeah, this spot is bang. Like we've been here for over an hour.
Seriously. And there's a lot to cover.
Yeah. All right, you set.
All right, shake it off. Oh,
Perch.
that counted. Yeah, it was a perch.
Yeah.
I can't believe it took the trailing hook. I was like, what's hitting my line?
Oh my god, what a monster.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, I don't know why I'm throwing the chatterbait.
Do you have your scale?
Oh yeah.
Send a picture if you have your phone too. Alright, do you have a picture?
He's gorgeous.
Look at the eyes on this baby.
Yeah, let me get it closer. These are really nice fish.
fit. We're gonna release this guy. You on? Yep, I got it. There it is.
Thank God. At least I caught a fish with you guys. Like, I'm not going to go in fucking skin.
That definitely feels.
I hope it weighs at least.
It'll hold.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
142.
I think he's under 2, but he's definitely over 1.